see you now, but your face is just way too bright.
Wait, adjust the. Oh, it's so bright. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
this and
yeah, yeah, it's okay.
that.
Okay, so are you now ready, Zia?
Yes.
Okay, so this afternoon we will have another reading session, and I have to tell you that the story that we will be reading now is quite longer than before. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so I will now share my screen. Wait for a while. Mm. Okay, okay, I'm so sorry. Let's wait. Mm-mm. Okay, here. So can you now see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, this is quite longer than the last time. So are you ready to read?
Yes.
Okay, so please read, Zia, the story.
What police and detectives do.
Okay,
Police officers protect lives,
lives.
lives, and property. Detectives and criminal investigator who are sometimes called agents or special agencies gather facts and collect evidence for possible crimes. Uniformed police officers typically do the
Typically,
fol- typically do the following: enforce laws, respond to emergency and non-emergency calls, patrol assigned areas, conduct traffic stops and issue citation, citations, obtain warrants and arrest suspects, write detailed reports and fill out forms, prepare cases and testify in court. Detectives and criminal investigators typically do do the following: investigate crimes, collect and secure evidence from crime scenes, conduct invest interviews with suspects and witnesses, observe the activities for suspects, obtain warrants and arrest suspects, write detailed reports and fill out forms, prepare cases and testify in court. Police officers pursue and apprehend,
apprehend,
pe-
apprehend.
apprehend people break the law. They then, when warn city or arrest them. Most police officers patrol their jurisdictions and investigate suspicious activity. They also respond to calls, issue traffic tickets, and give first aid to accident victims. Detection perform investigative investigative duties such as gathering facts and collecting evidence. The daily activities of police and detectives vary
Vary.
vary with their occupational specialty, such as canny units and special weapons and tactics as SWAT. What is tactics?
Tactics. You asking what is tactics? Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, tactics are ways or strategies, in other words. Okay.
Whatever they work at a local, state, or federal agency also determines job duties, and duties differ among federal agencies because they enforce different aspects of the law, regardless of job duties or location. Police officer and detectives at all levels must write reports and keep detailed records that will be needed if they testify in court. Must carry law enforcement tools such as radios, hand force, and guns. The following are example of types of police and detective who work in state and local law enforcement. State and local law enforcement. Uniformed police officers have general law enforcement duties. They wear uniforms that allow the public to easily recognize them as police officers. They have regular patrols and also respond to emergency and non-emergency calls. Police agencies are also organized into geography districts with uniformed officers assigned to patrol and
Specific, specific.
specific area specific area. Officers in large agencies often patrol with a partner. During patrols, officers look for any signs of criminal activity and might conduct searches and arrest suspected criminals. They may also respond to emergency calls, investigate complaints, and enforce traffic laws. Some police officers work only on specific type of crime, such as
Narcotics.
What is our narcotics?
Narcotics is someone who used the drugs or the alcohol.
And then
Okay, yeah.
officers, especially those working in large departments, might work in special units such as horseback, motorcycle, canine
Canine, it's canine.
corps, and special weapons and tactics SWAT teams. Typically, officers must work as patrol officers for a certain number of years before they might be appointed to one of those units. Some city police agencies are involved in community policing, a, a philosophy a philosophy of bringing police and members of the community together to prevent crime. A, a neighborhood watch program is one type of community policing. Some agencies are special geography and enforcing responsibilities. Examples including include public, college, and university police force, public school police, and transit police, must law enforcement workers. In special agency are uniformed officers. State police officers, sometimes called state troopers or highway patrol officers, have many of the same duties as other police officers, but they might spend more time enforcing traffic laws and issuing traffic situations,
Citations.
citations, citations. State police officers have authority to work anywhere in the site
State,
and
in
are
the state.
state in the state and are frequently called on to help other law enforcing agencies, especially those in rural areas or small towns. Sheriffs and deputy
Deputy. Deputy.
deputy sheriff. What is that?
Sheriffs. It's sheriffs.
What is a sheriff?
A sheriff is someone who, a peace officer in the locality. Okay, he is someone who, whenever there's a bad guy in your community, he's the one going to talk to that bad guy. And no, that's you're doing bad. So sheriff is someone who maintains the peace in our place. Okay,
Sheriffs enforce the law on the county
county
level.
level.
Sheriff's departments tend
Tend
tend to be relatively small. Sheriffs usually are elected by the public and do the same work as a local or county police chief. Some sheriff's departments do the same job as officers in urban police departments. Other mainly operate and county jails and
provide
provide service in local courts. Police and sheriffs
deputies.
deputies, police, deputies who provide security in city and county courts are some called what is that?
Bailiffs.
Bailiffs.
Okay.
What is a bailiff?
A bailiff is just a sheriff. It is just a term for sheriff.
Okay.
Okay, what is again a sheriff, as I have mentioned earlier?
A sheriff is a officer or a chief that will talk to bad guys in the city.
Okay, and maintain the peace, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and here's the last part. Please read.
Detectives and criminal investigator are uniformed or plainclothes investigators who gathered facts and collect evidence for criminal cases. They conduct interviews, examine records, observe and the activities of suspects, and participate
In
in
raids.
raids and arrests. Detectives usually specialize in investigating one type of crime, such as homicide,
Homicide,
homicide, or
or fraud.
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 Fraud. What is a
Uh,
fraud?
it's a fraud is something fake. Okay, a fraud crime is someone who is faking, for example, his or her identity. That's fraud. Okay, if I claim to be Angelina Jolie, that's already fraud. If I posted on social media that, oh, I am Angelina Jolie, so that's already fraud. That's already a crime. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you please continue?
Detectives are typically
Typically,
as typically assigned cases on a rotating basis and work on them until an arrest and trial are completed or until the case is adopted,
drop, dropped,
dropped,
dropped. It's only
dropped,
dropped.
dropped
Okay, drop. Very good.
via
So,
university, states, Department of Labor.
okay, so did you understand the story?
A little bit
A little
because
bit.
it's complicated. It's
Yeah, it's
complicated.
complicated, right? It's quite longer
Yeah.
than the other stories that we have read the other day. So, am I right? So, are you ready now to answer some questions?
Um.
Hmm.
Yeah. Half
Okay.
read.
Okay, but don't worry, we will go back to the story if we have to, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, first question, I want Zia to please read.
Why do you think it is important for police officers and detectives to write detailed reports?
Okay, so why do you think is that they have to write detailed reports?
To prove it.
To prove it, yes. What other reasons why in during crimes or during emergencies, why do police have to write detailed reports?
For the court, like, what is that called? Like, in court,
In court, okay, what will they do in court? What will that the detailed reports do in court?
they will say the evidence and the reports that they find.
Okay, very good. Good job. So, police and detectives have to write detailed, okay? Take note with the term detailed. Okay, it has to be detailed. Why? Because the reports have to be accurate. Okay, they
Yeah.
have to be accurate. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so they have to submit accurate information about the person involved, about what happened. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, next we have question number 2. Please read.
What types of evidence might a detective need to collect from a crime
Okay,
scene?
so what do you think are the evidences that can be collected in a crime scene?
A weapon
A weapon. Good
that
job.
used in a
Another.
crime scene.
Okay, what else?
Footprints
Food.
or like Fingerprint.
Fingerprints and footprints. Okay, good job. That's right. Okay, can you think of another evidence? Hmm, how about a photo or a document found in the
Yeah,
area? Can that be used
yeah,
as an evidence?
yes.
Yes. What else? Can you think of another thing?
Wait.
Hmm. How about a witness? Like a person
Yeah,
itself. Can that be an evidence?
no.
A person cannot be an evidence? What
Yes,
if,
it
yeah, what
is.
if mommy complains, where is the chocolate in the refrigerator? And I will say, Zia, eat it. Okay, what if teacher says, mommy, I saw Zia eating chocolates during my class. So I am the evidence. Okay? I am the witness. So meaning I am the evidence. I can tell mommy, mommy, I saw Zia eating chocolate. So can you call me already an evidence?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so number three question, please.
What is an example for community
Policing.
policy?
Policing. Okay. What is an example of community policing? You have read it in the story. Hmm. What was that? Community policing.
I think I don't
Okay,
remember.
okay, let's just put it this way. When you hear or read the term community policing, what do you think is that? What do you think is the meaning of that? Community policing.
I think it's a community
A community? Uh-huh. And how about
with a lot of
policing?
police.
Oh, community with police.
Yeah.
Okay, so you cannot remember exactly what was the example given in the story? Okay, let's go back. So, please, I have here, okay, a neighborhood watch program
Watch program
is one type of
is one type of
community
community policy.
policing. Okay, so a neighborhood watch program. Can you think of any idea? Okay, what do you think or what can you think of neighborhood watch program?
I think the police will
Mhm.
watch a neighborhood
Yeah, okay.
and then in one type of policing. I think to be more um nowhere I like it has a certain weight. Like the the police will watch a neighborhood and then will going to find a criminal.
Okay, very good. So a neighborhood watch program is something that when police officers were roaming around your area or your community, trying to see or trying to take a look if there's a crime happening. Okay,
Yeah.
so do you usually see police officers roaming around your area, having a patrol?
No.
No, okay, so if
But
in
will I see many police but just um like just going to a place and the
yeah,
way
and the way.
here's the way. Yeah.
Okay, so there's just patrolling on a way on a road.
Yeah. Like that.
Okay, okay. So again, a neighborhood watch program is something when a police or police officers are watching your community if something bad is happening or any crime is happening. Okay? Okay, so now let's proceed to question number four. What is question number four? I want Zia to read.
What advan advantage
Advantages.
advantages would a motorcycle have over a traditional police car during the
Pursuit. Pursuit.
pursuit of a criminal?
Okay, so I will rephrase the question. So what is the positive side? Okay, advantages is positive sides. Okay, of using a motorcycle and chasing a criminal. If you are a police and you are chasing a criminal, why is it okay to use a motorcycle than a police car?
To be fast.
To be fast, very good. Because why do you think police car is not fast?
Because if it has a traffic.
Okay, very good. So motorcycles can easily go through even in small areas, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but police car, they have to use a wide area or a wide road for a police car to go through. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good job. Good job. You're doing great for that. And number five, please.
Why do you think local police in a small town or rural area would need a assistant of state police?
Okay, so small town police, a local police in a small town is a police in a small community, whereas a state police is a police in a bigger community, right? For example,
Yeah,
a national police or just a local police. So now, why does a local police need help or the assistance of state police or the bigger higher position police?
because find, to like, how is that? To find it easily,
To find
to
it
find it
easily,
fast.
to find it fast. Okay, very good. So, the small town police can ask the state police if the crime is big, the crime is really big that they cannot handle. So that time, that moment, they need to ask for. Okay, they need to ask for the help of the state police. Last question. Can you please read?
Who who has a large jurisdiction, highway patrol officers, or
Deputy.
sheriff,
Deputy sheriff.
deputy sheriff.
Okay, so larger jurisdiction, meaning who has the higher authority? The highway patrol officers or the deputy sheriffs?
I think the mm, deputy,
The deputy? Why do you think so?
because the
Bec-
deputy said that deputy will going to a town or a city to find
okay.
criminals.
Okay, but
And
have
in
you
the
not
Philippines is very it's a, Philippines is a very large um country.
yeah.
So I think sheriffs is going to be.
Okay, sheriff. But have you not read what highway patrol officer do?
Yes, I read it, but I think some
Okay.
places don't need highway patrol.
Okay, so thank you. So now we are done with our lesson, our story for today. So, what have you learned when you read the story? What about the story that you have learned?
That that's the what the police and detectives do.
Okay, so Zia learned everything that police and detectives do. Are they important?
Yes, very
Why?
important.
Why very important?
Because if the the word I think the Philippines or our town or your town has criminals. If there's no police, they will not arrest them because there's no
Okay.
police.
Okay, there's no police. Very good. Okay, so now Zia, since it's already time, okay, I have to end it here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it's already time. Did you learn today?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, good job. So that's a bye-bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Good luck on your next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, I will end it now, okay?
Okay.